This 2026 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 35 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 7, carbon monoxide detector, awning, stovetop burner, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, smoke detector, slide-out, water heater, LP detector, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2026 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AA is built on a Freightliner XCM modular rail rear engine diesel chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 380 HP diesel engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.